In this video, we are going to show you how to make sure you are logged into Google Chrome. So the first thing that you need to do is open up Google Chrome, the search engine, and go to Google. And you will see over on the right-hand side, if you are not signed in, it will say sign in, and you want to click there. You want to make sure you're signed in with your Park Hill email. So you'll click there, and if you get directed to the Park Hill page, you'll need to type in your username and password just like you do for everything else. Now, what should happen once you log in is you should see your bookmarks and everything reappear up here at the top. If you do not see that, you will go over here underneath the X. There are the three dots. You'll click on those. You'll go down to Settings, and it will bring you to a page like this, and right at the top it will say, or should say, do you want to sync to Google, or do you want to turn off or turn on the sync? I'm not exactly sure, but you'll see mine says turn off, which means mine is synced, which means these are my bookmarks that go with that. So those are the two things you need to do. Go log in to Google Chrome. Make sure that your icon appears now up next to these three dots, and make sure that you're synced so that your bookmarks and things that you do will transfer. Good work.